The widely accepted theory that best explains the mechanism of ascent of Sap is cohesion tension theory. It is also known as cohesion theory or transpiration pull. It was originally proposed by Henry H. Dixon and John Joly in 1894. It was further elaborated by Dixon in 1914. The cohesion theory depends on the presence of a continuous column of water starting from the root tip through the stem into the mesophyll cells of leaf. Then what is the driving force for this upward movement of water? According to cohesion theory, the driving force is provided by the evaporation of water from the leaf and the negative pressure or tension that results. Water covers the surface of mesophyll cell as thin films. This is the thin film of water that covers the surface of mesophyll cells. This thin film remain adhered to the cellulose microfibrils and other hydrophilic surface. As the water evaporates from this film, the air-liquid interface retreat into the space between cellulose microfibrils and the angular junction between mesophyll cells. This evaporation of water creates very small curved surfaces. As the radius of the surfaces progressively decrease, the surface tension at the air-water interface create an increasingly negative pressure or tension. This negative pressure exerts an upward pull on the water column known as transpiration pull. As the water column is continuous, this negative pressure is transmitted all the way from the leaf through the stem and finally into the soil. So, water is literally pulled up through the xylem duct. So, the mechanism of ascent of sap according to cohesion theory is very simple. First of all, water is lost from the leaf in the form of water vapor by the process of transpiration. This water loss creates a negative pressure or tension in the leaf. The upward pull which is exerted on the water column is known as transpiration pull. As the water column in the xylem duct is continuous, the negative pressure or tension is transmitted all the way from the leaf through the stem and finally into the soil. As a result, water is continuously pulled up through the xylem duct. The cohesion theory raises two very important questions. First question is that is the xylem sap under tension only in some circumstances when there is no or negligible transpiration, the pressure in the root system is positive. Otherwise, in most of the cases, it is negative. Several lines of evidence support this. Second question is how the integrity of the water column is maintained. The answer is that water has a greater tensile strength. The tensile strength is a measure of the tension that a substance can withstand before breaking. The higher tensile strength of water is due to the cohesive force among water molecules, and the cohesive force arises due to hydrogen bonding among the water molecules. Friends, you know that water molecules act as electric dipole in which the oxygen atom has a partially negative charge and the hydrogen atom has a partially positive charge. Because of this, The oxygen atom of one water molecule is attracted toward the hydrogen atom of another water molecule. This gives rise to the cohesive force. So, because of the cohesive force that exists in a water molecule and due to the adhesive force between water molecule and the wall of the xylem vessel, the integrity of the water column is maintained. It is because of the negative pressure that develops in the leaf and due to the cohesive force, water is continuously pulled up through the xylem duct. So the upward movement of water along with mineral continues. This process is called as ascent of sap. Friends, this is all about the ascent of sap. For more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class. Thanks for watching.